today I want to talk about very important topic which Muslims around the globe, especially of Pakistan, should know that in Constitution of Pakistan, Article 260, Clause 3, it's clearly mentioned that a person of Qadiani group, a person of Qadiani group or Lahori group who call themselves Ahmadis or any other name, Bahai or Mirzai or whatsoever, and a person belonging to these scheduled caste is not a Muslim. In Section 298B and 298C of Pakistan Penal Code clearly defines everything that if a person that is not a Muslim, especially I am discussing here is about Qadianis who call themselves Ahmadis or whatsoever. So there are certain Muslim practices which Qadianis cannot perform. Every Muslim of Pakistan should know these things, that it is the part of our constitution, it is the part of our Pakistan Penal Code that Qadianis cannot call themselves Muslims. It's so simple as that. And other thing is they cannot refer to their faith as Islam because it is not Islam. If a person does not testify that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Allah, then he cannot be a Muslim. It's the basic principle of Islam. You have to testify that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Allah, and after him no prophet will come. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that la khataman nabiyyin wa la nabiyya ba'di, that I am the last of prophets, no prophet will come after me. Qadianis cannot preach their faith, they cannot propagate their faith by any means, either by words, either it's spoken or either it's written, or by any visible representation. That means that they cannot build minarets or mihrabs like of masjid on the places where they do kufr. So you know what Allama Khadim Hussain Rizvi rahmatullahi alayhi said, that if there is a place and they don't testify, they deny the finality of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that place isn't a masjid, that's a place of kufr. So it cannot be a masjid, that they cannot perform any prayers like Muslims prays 5 times a day. They go to masjid, they perform Jummah, they perform congregation prayers. So Qadianis cannot perform like Muslims. Qadianis cannot sacrifice animals on the occasion of Eid because it's a Muslim practice. Qadianis cannot perform any activity which comes under Muslims practices. If Qadianis perform any certain Muslim practices and pretend to be Muslims, then you know what law say about them. So it's clearly defined in the Pakistan Penal Code section 298B and 298C that if Qadianis perform any certain activities which is performed by Muslim and it outrages the feelings of the Muslims, so the person could be jailed for 3 years imprisonment. It will also be liable for the fine. This Qadianis cannot perform call to prayer. Muslims perform azan, so they cannot use the same word which is of azan. And here I want to admire the efforts of Allama Asim Ashfaq Rizvi, who is the representative of Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan Jhelum, and Engineer Naeem Chatta Qadri, who is representative of Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan Mandi Bahauddin. The way they are doing efforts day and night to implement the Pakistani law is really admirable. Shahtash Sugar Mill of Qadianis in Mandi Bahauddin. So Naeem Chatta Qadri and his team is working day and night, and now you know what's the report say of 2024, that the profit of that mill goes down 92%. That means that if gaining profit of 100 rupees, so now they are gaining on profit of only 8 rupees.